I'm Irfan Hussain.
My name is Dr. Xiaomi.
I'm the team lead.
I'm the coordinator of Fly Eagle.
Fly Eagle consists of two teams. One is Khalifa University, which is located in Abu Dhabi, and we have Beijing Institute of Technology, which is in China. Abu Dhabi is a very wonderful place to live. You have a very state-of-the-art infrastructures, great facilities. It's very well connected with the rest of the world. You can experience very diverse culture.
Beijing is a very historic city, so it has many old buildings and many beautiful sceneries. The international cooperation is very important for us. With international cooperation, we can know different cultures from different people, and also we can improve our technologies, capabilities in robotics. Both universities have different backgrounds.
Essentially, BIT will focus on drones. We will focus on manipulation and USBs, and we'll meet somewhere in the middle.
So the team demonstrated their ability to use multiple UAVs to move a large object closer to the robotic arm and pick up the large object using the robotic arm and relocate it to another position. And the entire operation was done without any GNSS or GPS signals. This is pretty impressive.
So I look forward to doing great things and competing well, doing the task, and hopefully winning as well.
I'm feeling very excited, a little bit stressed.
We will try our best to finish our task today.
I think the last 3 weeks were very intense. Very restless.
We wake up very early
Setting all the equipment, go to the site.
and do coding, testing, debugging.
Of course, a lot of hard working, and the team did a great job.
Well done, Fly Eagle.
It's run true, and we are quite feeling hopeful because the weather is good.
We need to get some points on the board today.
Round 2 is our last chance to demonstrate our capability because the weather forecast team informed us round 3 is really bad. So we did lots of work to prepare for round 2.
We have launched. We're still receiving the video stream from the UAV that's hovering on the start gate.
Basically, we managed to do the detection after around, 17 minutes.
The team was able to identify the target vessel.
And the USV moved a little distance, and at one point it just stopped.
So the mission got terminated.
Responder.
Run terminated.
There are so many subsystems that has to come together, which is a bit unfortunate because this is to do with systems, but systems are part of robotics, and we got to shrug and live with it and come back to fight another day.
The third best performer is Team Fly Eagle, the third best performer.
Congratulations.
Of course, this is not as per our expectations, but we are very happy that out of 53 teams, I'm going to the third position. So I think it's a great achievement.
We can learn from this kind of competition, so we will try to work more efforts on our project and try to make it robust. So next time we will not lose it. Yeah.